that makes money for token holders.
What if an AI agent could watch DeFi 24/7, detect profitable arbitrage trade, analyze risk using GPT powered reasoning, and execute safe profitable trades automatically, all while sending the profit directly to its token holder? Meet Frex Guardian AI, an autonomous AI agent built with ADKTS that makes money while you sleep. Frag Finance control over $2 billion total value logged, yet millions of dollar price inefficiency go unclaimed every year. Traditional arbitrage ports rely on 2 to 3 simple rules. Miss low risk opportunity, can't reason about risk and volatility. Fax Guardian solved this by combining on chain data, AI reasoning, and a 6 factor risk engine, something no other bot in the ecosystem has. Frex Guardian AI continuously monitor facts swap polls, detect price inefficiency, evaluate each opposite with 6 advanced risk signals, use GPT analysis for human-like decision making, execute trades on base testnet, and every profitable trade contribute to ATP token holders with a built-in 20% performance fee model. The heart of the agent is our 6 factor risk engine for more advanced than typical DeFi bots. We evaluate liquidity risk, price impact risk, gas cost risk, volatility risk, slippage risk, MEV competition risk. These score blended into unified risk assessment, and then we pass the data to the GPT for context awareness. Explaining reasoning, the agent does not have to say just execute, it tells why to execute. We have built Frex Guardian using ADKTS for the perception, reasoning, action cycle. Perception, blockchain monitors read fact swaps pool, reasoning, risk engine, GPT decide the action shape, execute, planner, simulate, and execute trade. ADKTS gave us isolated module, event driven perception, and reproducible agent behavior. This made development fast and rigorous. Here, the agent scans the Frex pool. It identifies a 0.60% price difference between a pool A and pool B, a promising opportunity. Now, the agent evaluates all 6 risk factor liquidity risk safe, sale price impact moderate, gas cost safe, volatile, it's very safe over here, slippage safe, and MEV competition acceptable. The agent execute the trade, simulate gas, and confirm a $5.39 profit. Over 3 test trades, it produced 17.89 profit with a 100% rate. We deployed Frex Guardian on IQ AI's agent tokenization platform ATP. Token holders receive 80% of trading profit through the ATP profit sharing model. This unlock a real business and AI agent that autonomously earns yield to its community. With Frex Guardian, $2 billion TVL, even capturing 1% annual inefficiency yields 100K to 200K dollar per year. This token model gave us sustainable revenue, scalable user base, clear on-chain transparency. Whether you are a student or a investor, Frex Guardian creates you value automatically. Frex Guardian AI stands out because it used ADKTS exactly as designed. It introduced 6 factor AI risk engine never before applied to Frex. It fully autonomous with real execution. It has 8 passing tests, complete documentation, and clear architecture. It includes a working business model ready to scale. This is not a concept, this is a production ready autonomous DeFi agent. Thank you for reviewing Frex Guardian AI. We built to push AI agent forward and to make money safe for user worldwide. Thank you. My name is Himanshu Soni.